Hello beautiful Seven Sister. Today I bring this short video based from my throne, which is actually my toilet. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to show you how easy it is to participate in the online yoni steaming workshop that I'm going to offer as part of this year's festival with our glorious Seven Sisters. If you do have a setup that you're used to and you've got herbs that you use, please bring all that along. But if you don't and you're like, I'd love to participate, what does it take? I'm going to show you how easy it is to set yourself up at home with little to no equipment. So here we go. First and foremost, I want you to wash your toilet out with just some natural ingredients and give it a nice big scrub and then just flush it. You can then get a bowl that can fit on the inside of the rim. These are easily found at the $2 shop, but I'm sure that most of you will probably have something of this size that's already in your kitchen. If your bowl is higher and a little bit bulkier, all I encourage you to do is just get a bath towel and pop it around just to create a nice flush, surface, and you're just going to pop this down because you're going to be sitting on this. You're going to need 1.5 litres of boiled water. If you do have herbs, use your herbs at your quantity. Normally with the Rose Temple herb blends that I offer and sell, we use 1/3 of a cup. If you don't have herbs, not a problem. Just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar is going to go into that 1.5 litres of water. When we're together, I'll just talk about the last little bit about blending it all together and letting it sit. That is not what's important here. I just want to show you, you just need a toilet, a bowl, apple cider vinegar and water as your bare minimum to participate. On one last note, if you do want to purchase some herbs, I have got a special that's going to be a part of Seven Sisters. I just want you to contact me at contact@helenz.com. Let me know that you are interested and I will sell and ship the herbs to you at a special price. So the blend that I use normally is called, if you're a first timer and just want to relax and use it as often as you like, it's the Relax Me blend. Okay, so I look forward to sharing this absolutely glorious process with you in October. Mwah.